As a kid born in the 20s, I was fortunate to witness the final years of Sachin Tendulkar's legendary career. At the same time, a young dynamic talent De Villiers caught my attention, especially during the 2011 World Cup match against India. Whenever I see Sachin and De Villiers, I notice striking similarities between these two cricketing greats. Now let me be clear, I am not comparing Sachin to AB. Sachin is beyond comparison, a man who transformed the game and played a significant role in making cricket. His contribution to the sport's popularity and global reach is unparalleled. But I see some remarkable parallels between these two legends. Both Sachin and De Villiers made their international debut as a teenager and showcased exceptional talent early in their careers. Sachin mastered the traditional style of batting. His textbook cover drives, extra cover drives, and the ability to handle raw pace and swing were second to none. His precision in placing the ball wherever he wanted, combined with his cricketing intelligence, made him a run-scoring machine. His straight drives, on drives, and off drives with high elbow and the full pace of the bat were pure poetry in motion. Similarly, De Villiers, though known for his explosive, unorthodox play, built his foundation on solid technique. His extra cover drives, square drives, back foot punches, and straight drives often remind me of Sachin elegance. Both had the ability to adapt. Sachin innovated shots like paddle sweeps, and AB changed the game by inventing new strokes, hitting sixes to fine leg, third man, and even mid-wicket off the back foot. Their defensive technique was also impeccable, blocking, leaving, and playing short with precision without edging the ball, while Sachin was master of finding gaps and gliding the ball effortlessly. AB did the same but in more aggressive manner, breaking a traditional shot-making barriers. His ability to score a ridiculous strike rate without compromising techniques proves why he is called the 360-degree player. Beyond their cricketing skills, what makes people love Sachin is his humility. He has always been kind and respectful, whether towards teammates, opponents, umpires, or fans. Despite being the biggest cricketing icon, he never displayed arrogance. On the field, he remained calm and composed, letting his bat do the talking. De Villiers shares the same humility. He has always been down to earth, ready to help young cricketers and never let ego get in the way. He treats everyone with respect and has never been seen being aggressive or abusive toward anyone. His friendly nature both on and off the field is why he is loved not just in South Africa but across the cricketing world, especially in India. When it comes to popularity, Sachin is in a league of his own. He ruled the cricketing world for over 3 decades, and his fan following is unmatched. The chants of Sachin Sachin echoing in every stadium, the respect he received from fellow cricketers, and his status as the god of cricket reflect his unparalleled influence. Every young cricketer idolizes Sachin, be it Virat Kohli, Smith, or Joe Root. Similarly, De Villiers enjoy massive admiration worldwide. Indian cricketers like Kohli, Babar Azam, Josh Butler, Raina, Samson, and Shikhar Dhawan openly express their love and respect for AB. Wherever he goes, he is welcomed with immense appreciation, showing that his impact on the cricket is enormous. Sachin and De Villiers have revolutionized cricket in their own ways. Sachin set new benchmarks, his adaptability across all conditions, dominance over the best bowlers, and countless records make him greatest batsman of all time. His legacy is untouchable. On the other hand, De Villiers changed the perception of modern day batting. His ability to switch effortlessly between formats is mind-blowing. Watching him in T20s, you will think he was made for limited overs cricket. Watching him in Test, you will believe he was born for longest format. This is versatility makes him a unique phenomenon, a true alien of cricket. In nutshell, while Sachin and De Villiers are different in many ways, they share remarkable similarities in their batting mastery, humility, popularity, and impact on cricket. These two legends have given us countless unforgettable moments, and as a fan, I can only express my deepest respect and gratitude for their contribution to this beautiful game.